Hi everyone, this is top 3 tips for the Petit Allegro jump, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Cheryl Ale. I'm the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I'm here to teach you, the dancers, the teachers, to teach the dancers to be the very best as they can be. This is ballet for everybody. This is what we do. So, do you want to learn those 3 tips that will help you jump better? I want to learn them over and over again. They're so much fun. So let's do this. I mean, we are going to bring that leg under and over and under and over and circle and follow me. Now, okay, this is 3 tips for Petit Allegro. 3 things you want to think about on the onset is continuity, power, and flow of the combinations that you give. Because once set into motion, you have circular patterns going over, under, and figure 8s. These are things that are happening within the body within a combination. So if you don't have a continuity to a combination, then the dancer is unable to continue to have a fabulous flow going back and forth and grasp a quality that is like none other. And this, as a dancer, is what you're trying to achieve. And as a teacher, you need to understand how to teach this. So when you bring different combinations together, for instance, when you do a glissade, okay, that is the beginning of a backward circle. So you're going glissade, right? So that backward circle, you wouldn't go glissade tendu. Well, you can, choreographically you could, but in a class it's to conjure a better technique and to move the energy in the body in such a way that the dancer continues to have the quality that you'd like to see in your choreography. As a dancer, it makes your life easier. It's easier on your joints if you understand how to keep that flow going here. So the combination that we're going to show has that continuity to it. So we're going to go ahead and show the combination, and then I'll break it down again. First, I want you to look for the first time at what they're doing, and then I'll stop and say, did you see the backward circle? Did you see the over circle? Did you know where that figure 8 was in? And now I would love to have your comments on this to say, I did see the figure 8. But if you didn't see it the first time, well, guess what? We get to look at it a second time because I'll break it down and show you where that actually occurs. So, okay, so we're going to do the combination the first time. Would you like to go over the combination, or you're good? Okay, so the combination will be glissade. It'll be glissade, jeté, jeté, ton levé, right? Okay, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Glissade, jeté, jeté, ton levé. Glissade, jeté, jeté, ton levé. Pas de chat, saut de chat, 600, 600, 600, 600. So they're going to do the same combination again. And this time we have a slow-mo. This is how this whole training began. It was frame to frame to frame, so you can see actually what the body is doing, so you know how to teach it and not just teach the what. Because if you just teach the what, it's very stagnant. But with energy embellished into the technique, it becomes a lovely piece. So here we go, slow-mo. This is presenting the slow-mo patterns of energy. 5, 6, 7, 8. In the glissade, you're going to see a little bit of a backward circle. In the jeté, the consecutive jetés create a figure 8, right? Again, glissade, consecutive jeté, figure 8. Pas de chat is a backward circle. So the circle is going ba, ba, ba. And then the circle goes back this way again. Now the seesaw is a over and under and over and under circle consecutively. So we will show you those diagrams and you will have a really great perception of really what the body is doing and how can we engage these energy patterns. It actually doesn't just start in the center at Petit Allegro, it starts at the bar, and we'll have lessons for that too, so join us. Share below. We love to hear from you. You can add to everything that we're doing, and then we can, or if you're having problems with this, I'm right here. This channel is all about helping you dance better for both the teachers and the dancers and the students. Hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.